Hey, what's up, guys? Angel again, coming up with another video. Today, I'm going to talk about credit cards. I just started using credit cards maybe like a few years ago, and I was always afraid of them. I would always think, if I have the money, why would I get a credit card if they're gonna charge me? And I was more afraid of the interest and fees and all that I would just prefer to stay away from them. I don't know how one day I just got one. I started with Capital One. I remember I got 500, no, not even 300, because my credit was not bad, but then I was just starting, and they just gave me like 300. You shouldn't be using more than 10% of your total credit. A lot of people don't know that. Like, I didn't know that, and I had to find out. And there's a lot of people that don't really understand how, and old people, like not old but like older, I feel like if you're younger than 25, okay, but then if you're like 26, 27, you should be thinking about your credit score, your credit. A lot of friends don't understand it, and it's okay. And I try to teach them. I try to explain how it works, but then they end up more confused. Like, people should be smart with credit cards. Like, if you use $100, pay it off at the end of the month. You don't want to be paying interest. The first credit cards that you get, since you don't have a lot of credit, your APR is gonna be like 26%. So that means like you're gonna pay 26% of whatever you spend. For me, it's a waste of money. If you know that you're gonna pay it off at the end of the month, spend as much as you want. It's gonna hurt at first, but then it's gonna help you eventually. Like, credit, like to boost up your credit, it takes a long time. It takes a long time, and it's annoying. But then as long as you're doing your things good and you're like paying everything on time, or like you're not carrying a balance, and that carrying a balance, it's not something that so it's gonna look better on your credit score. No, it's for you not to pay interest. It's like waste of money. So don't waste money on interest. The things that I check for whenever I get a credit card, I don't even check the APR. Even if it's a 50% APR, I don't even worry about it, because I'm not planning to carry a balance. So, at the end, it doesn't really matter the APR. You shouldn't worry about it, because you're not gonna carry a balance. Okay. I noticed that most of the credit cards, most of the differences are that some give you cashback, some give you rewards, some give you like discounts. I think same thing. People are gonna be like confused again, because it's really not hard. Like, once you understand it, it's easy, right? Because it's simple. Like, oh yeah, get a credit card, make sure there's no like annual fees, and that you don't have to pay it annually or like monthly, and use your credit, and then you pay it off right away the next month, and then it's gonna build up. The 10% rule, you need to spend a lot of money if you want to increase that limit. So not a lot of money, but you need to at least like 50%. I think I'm checking that, so I'll let you guys know. But then for now, I think it's more than 50% of that credit limit in order for you to like request an increase, and then they'll give it to you. So I think I'm gonna make another video about this, because I don't think I covered a lot of things. I try to make it as simple as possible. So maybe one of my friends, instead of like repeating myself with my friends, I mean, they can always ask me again and again, and I'll try to explain it as good as possible. But then I can just show them maybe this video. I'll try to. It says 16 minutes now, but like I'll try to make it short. So like editing magic. So see you guys.